So as you're going through your day, you're going to realize that out of a 15 quote day, there's times where you're going to find people that don't have insurance or that there's a rating factor difference, such as they just got divorced or they just moved or they just got a new car. Those are the kinds of cases that you need to sell. Those are the ones where they can't really compare with what's going on now. Or if they just bought their own car and they're on a policy with somebody else, they don't have the option to add that car to that policy because they're not the registered owner of that vehicle. So you don't need to worry about how much they paid or what they were paying on their dad's policy or what they were paying with their ex-wife policy. That's no longer an option for these people. Or how much they used to pay in Illinois and now they're in Florida or something like that. So when there's a big rating factor difference or the person doesn't even have insurance, those are people you need to be selling. So out of your 15 quote day, you need to look at those. Those are the ones you want. So as soon as you find out, hey, this guy doesn't have insurance, I know your rate's going to be high. Luckily, so is everybody else's that they call. So they're going to have a high down payment and a horrible rate everywhere they go because they had a lapse of insurance, which literally makes them a bad risk because literally they're more likely to have an accident. So you find out someone doesn't have insurance, this is happening, sir. I'm going to take care of that right now. I'm going to make sure you have everything you need to go register your car. I'm going to make sure that I give you everything you need to get your car off the lot. I'm going to make sure that you actually have coverage so you don't have to worry about getting pulled over, getting your car impounded. Those are the guys. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to make sure that happens for you. Be real confident about that. So the guy says, I'm on a policy now with my ex-wife and we need to get our own policies. And the guy says, yeah, but it's cheaper the way it is. Sir, I would not want to have a claim in your situation where you're on a policy with your ex-wife. If they investigate that and they find out that you're getting married rates and you never told them that this changed, I wouldn't want to be in a situation where there could be a coverage question. So even though I cost more, at least we know that it's right and your claim is actually going to be covered.